Hello, everybody. My name is Ojembe Nwiro, and you are welcome to Onye Igbo channel. I know you'll be wondering who is this guy that you hear in his voice, but not seeing his face, and what is the meaning of Onye Igbo. So I'm here to tell you. First, the name Onye Igbo means a person of Igbo origin. An Igbo person believes in freedom, and he or she is willing to risk it all to make their dream a reality. This mindset drives them to leave their families, their homes, their jobs, to go to a foreign country where they don't even know anybody, the language, or the culture, the food, and things like that, because they have a dream to make it big. That is why they say anywhere you go and you don't see an Igbo person, it's best that you leave that area because it's not a good area. It's actually bad. Very, very bad, if not worse. So, it's this same mindset that drives the Igbos to be so successful because they are willing to break away from what the majority or the rest of Nigeria or the black race does and do what they want to do because they believe in themselves. They believe in what they can do, what they can achieve individually and collectively as a people. They don't believe in what you can do for them. They believe in what they can do for themselves and what role you can play towards them achieving that which they want to achieve for themselves. But they also believe in a win-win situation where you benefit, they benefit. You have your own objective, they have their own objective, and you both make sure that your objectives are being met. That is, if you're working with an Igbo person in a business venture or anything, make sure it's a win-win situation. So provided you're honest with him, he's going to be playing with you. And an Igbo person is a blessing to the human race. The Onye Igbo and Ndi Igbo is a community of hustlers, entrepreneurs that want more out of life than just a job. I'm not here trying to, sit here and sell you stories on how to get rich, things like that. No. I mean, the Igbos, the Ndi Igbos, the Onye Igbo, we are all a community of people that is motivating, teaching, and inspiring others to create value and do what they want to do to make the world a better place. Because school doesn't cut it all out anymore. School doesn't teach you all that. As I was going to school, back in Nigeria, Imo State University, precisely, I started my own kind of business on the side. Not too many people knows about it. Only a selective few who were close to me knows much about it. I realized that school is, is very good at teaching you on how to be an employee, but it doesn't teach you to venture out and do what you want to do and create your own value. So I figured also out that what I learned from my father and from my elders around me was not taught in school. My father was a businessman. I do go out with him during the holidays or on Saturdays, whenever he's going to the shop or his place of business, he will, bring me along with him, and I will go out with him to his business. And, he taught me the concept of, calling a customer, taught me how much the goods have been sold for, even though he had helpers in his shop like apprentice, but he also had to make sure that I understood the business and what is um or how the business has been done, how much everything has been sold for, and how to call customers. I have to come outside, sit outside, and call customers when they are passing by, come and buy. We usually speak it in Igbo. Ogai and sister, bia kerehi choro zemure miya, bia na mere ihe diota, bia mere shego for things like that. How to call customers and things like that. Even though technology cannot change a few things in the Western world, whereby you have Amazon and eBay and the rest of them, but in the contemporary Igbo society, African society, they teach you things that you don't learn, you can learn at school. And I really got to appreciate that, because after going to school, and I also got to understand, having my bachelor's degree, I got to understand that school only teaches you how to be, employees. They don't really teach you how to be entrepreneurs. If you want to learn entrepreneurship, you learn it from the businessmen in the market. You go to A-line, area, you go to shopping center, a car shopping center. Or you also go to Onitsha market and other markets, Alaba and the rest of them. Wherever you see the Igbos, you go there, you learn pure entrepreneurship, you know. So, and I have a lot more to tell you, but the few I just told you is, I believe for now it will do. And that is what Onye Igbo is here for, to motivate you and inspire you to venture out and do what you want to do, so you can leave a mark in this world when you have gone to the other side of existence. Well, for now, I will have to keep it short. This is just kind of an introductory, audio message or so. And even though there'll be some graphics on display, but let's just keep it that way for now. Expect more content, and I will teach you much about the Igbo ideology, about money and entrepreneurship and survival and other things. Just keep on subscribing, keep viewing, and be on the lookout. Don't forget to click on the notification button for more content coming your way. Thank you.